Hey, what's up everybody? Philly here with another video. So we had a party on Sunday. It was my daughter's birthday and we made her a little party. We had some tacos and we had a fun time. Christian came. As a matter of fact, let me show you guys a little clip of what went down on Sunday. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Camila. Happy birthday to you. La sentimental. Are you ahead of me? There you go. Catch your dad wherever he goes. Chase your sister. What's up, girl? What's up, girl? I gotta go buy her some food right now because she finished it all. But anyways, right now we're gonna check up on the... Whoa, bro. Trying to eat me? You hungry, right? She's fucking hungry. I'm gonna go get you some food right now, okay? Okay? Okay, Tatiana? I'm gonna get you some food right now. Let me just show everybody an update on the roof. So let's check it out. I haven't seen it, by the way. Alright. Let me just turn on this light. Let me turn on the other lights. So for those of you that are wondering, when is the Nissan president gonna come back? We got some sad news. The sad news is that the owner sold the car. He got an offer. He wasn't even selling it, and I guess he got an offer for it and he couldn't say no, so he ended up selling it. He actually came today and he picked up his transmission and a few other parts for that car, so that car is not coming back. So he still has to come back and pick up his motor. It's still right here. Well, that sucks because I really wanted to show you guys how to do a budget 5.3 swap, but I guess we're gonna have to get another one later on down the road. Alright guys, I'm pretty sure you guys read the title, so you guys already know what happened. And sad to say is that my HOTBOI paint job is ruined. Anyways, let me show it to you guys, and so you guys can see for yourself. It still looks nice. It still looks sick. It is dry. For sure it's dry. But check this out. I don't know if you guys... I don't know if the camera is going to be able to capture it. But check out the edge. You can see some bubbles right there. So it started bubbling up. Let me see. Shit, it's really hard to tell on the camera, but you can see it right here. So I'm guessing it kind of feels like a layer of it feels like just the top layer of clear dried up, and I'm guessing the bottom coat started pushing up, and that's why it started bubbling up. So it's definitely ruined. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see. I'm gonna go show you guys over there in the front. It's really bad. Let me see. Wait, actually, let me use this this little ladder so I can show you guys. So check it out. Top view. Like I said, it looks amazing. It looks pretty sick, but I don't know if you can see those bubbles. Let me zoom it in. Oh, right there in the front. You guys see it? That's what I meant. I guess that's the worst part right there. Right there, that spot right there, that's the worst. So the whole, like the middle section right here, it looks like that, but like smaller little bubbles. You can't see it in the camera, but that's what it looks like. So I mean, it is dry. Look, it did dry up, but like I said, it started bubbling up. I'm gonna see what happens in a couple more days. Hopefully, if it stays like this, what I'm planning to do is cutting and buffing it, and hopefully it fixes it. If not, then I mean, you can't really tell. I'll probably just leave it like that. You know, I would have to wash it and see if it'll damage it more. But if I wash it and it causes no more damage, then I guess I'm gonna leave it like this for now. Fuck it. Because like I said, it looks amazing. It looks pretty sick. Check it out. Alright, so I'm gonna see if this weekend I can paint the rest of the car and get it done already once and for all, because I mean, it's taking up a lot of space right here in the garage. I really want to get it out, and I want to finish it already. I probably won't be doing a video painting the rest of the car. I kind of want to wait till it's all done and then do like a full reveal video and show you guys the final product. I know I've been lagging it on this car, so bear with me, guys. I've been busy with work, a lot of tows, a lot of things going on. I had my daughter's birthday over the weekend. Just a bunch of things going on. I'm still looking for parts for the truck. I'm trying to look for the bed. The drive shaft, I took it to a spot. They're making it, they're getting it done. Hopefully I get it next week so I can start driving it. Updates on this shell. I'm almost done selling all the parts I was gonna sell. I just gotta finish putting the front end together. I'm gonna wash the whole car and then I'm gonna post it for sale. So if anybody wants a solid drift car, I'm saying it's a drift car because I don't have the pink slip for it. So if anybody needs a track car, hit me up. I know a lot of you guys wanted to hear some updates on the 240 truck, on my track car, this one right here. So I'm just gonna wait on the guy to pick up his motor, the 5.3. oh shit, I have a spider on my lens. There was a spider on my lens. Yeah, so once the guy picks up his 5.3 motor, I'm gonna pull this engine out and then I'm going to set it up in the engine stand and start ripping it apart. So one of my homies is selling his built RB. Basically it's all done up. Everything I was gonna do to this one, he did it to his, and he never installed it in his R32 Skyline. So he's not gonna do anything with it, so I might buy that engine from him. I'm just waiting on a little bit more extra cash so I can hopefully pick it up from him. That way I can just pull this engine out and install the other one, install the built engine. I don't want to pull it out because I also don't want to leave it on the floor sitting when I have an engine stand right there. So I just gotta wait till the guy picks up his engine and I'll pull it out and then we'll start working on the car. But it's really sad. Look, it's a sad car right now. I'm sad, guys. Sad boys. Sad boys. If anybody wants to donate some money, let me know. Just kidding. Just kidding. I'll get it done. I'll get it done. I'll get you done, baby. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this update video on all the junk cars I have. Thank you guys again for watching. Give this video a like. Subscribe if you're new. Turn on your post notifications on. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.